Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon. In this video I will show you more detail about 10 best cryptocurrency apps for Android. Updated 2020. Cryptocurrency has taken the world by storm. All over the world there are people mining for bitcoins, Dogecoins, Ethereum, and various other forms of currency. They are starting to carry some real value in the real world, and some places even accept cryptocurrency as payment for goods and services. In this roundup, we'll take a look at the best cryptocurrency apps for Android. Bitcoin Checker. Price free. Bitcoin Checker is one of the most popular cryptocurrency apps. This rock-solid app is a go-to for many people who use cryptocurrency. It shows you the up-to-date prices on most cryptocurrencies all around the world. It features a simplistic UI, but the simplicity works in the app's favor due to the amount of information it shows. Whether it is bitcoins, Dogecoins, or something more obscure, this app will probably have information on it. It's also totally free to use. Blockchain. Price free. Blockchain Wallet is one of the better cryptocurrency wallet apps for mobile. It works with Bitcoin and it has a lot of features. Some of them include 20+ currency conversions, the ability to send and receive Bitcoin payments, two-factor authentication, PIN protection, support for 18 languages, Tor blocking, and QR code support. It's also free and open source if that matters to you. There is also material design and a relatively simple UI. This one is actually really good. Blockfolio. Price free. Blockfolio is a financial app aimed at cryptocurrency users. You'll be able to glance quickly at your cryptocurrency investments. You can also have it send you notifications when prices reach a specified threshold. It tracks over 800 currencies right now and you can get details about each one. There is also a news section if you're interested in keeping up with what's new in the industry. It's completely free and that's always nice. This is a good for folks who take cryptocurrency seriously. Coins.ph. Price free up to $4.99 per month or $39.99 per year. Coins.ph is a cryptocurrency prices app. It keeps track of over 3,000 currencies across 100 exchanges. You can sync the exchanges you want and your wallets automatically to create a full portfolio if you want to. Some other features include portfolio sharing, price alerts, news, a widget, and weekly updates to the app. The UI is smooth and clean. There really isn't much wrong with it. Kobo. Price free. Kobo is a multi-cryptocurrency wallet app. It supports a couple dozen currencies, including various types of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Decred, Ripple, Litecoin, Zcash, Dogecoin, and several others. The app also features support for over 80 countries and some advanced cryptocurrency tech like proof of stake and masternode pooling. Some users complain about a couple of bugs, but by and large most people seem to like this one a lot. Coins.ph Wallet. Price free. Coins.ph is another cryptocurrency wallet app. The app allows you to check your cryptocurrency balance, transfer funds to others, make payments, and more. It comes with some decent looking material design as well. The app comes with some shopping options, including the ability to buy gift cards from 120+ merchants. You can also find banks and stores if you need that. It comes highly recommended from its user reviews and it's worth checking out. CryptoWake. Price free up to $5.99. CryptoWake is kind of a wild card on the list. It's an always-on display lock screen style app with a bunch of cryptocurrency info. It includes a clock, date, notifications, media controls, and other lock screen things. Additionally, you can get a news feed, various cryptocurrency prices and stats, and some other stuff as well. We only recommend it for AMOLED displays because otherwise it'll drain your battery by a lot. It's a neat, simple way to keep track of some cryptocurrency prices. Delta. Price free up to $8.49 per month and $49.99 per year. Delta is one of the newer cryptocurrency apps, comparatively speaking. It's a portfolio tracker app with a library of over 3,000 currencies, a full watch list and market data, and even price alerts. It also comes with support for Coinbase, Bitrocks, KuCoin, DAX, and other wallet apps for easy and quick syncing. Frankly, this app has more features than any other app on this list. However, that does come at a cost of $8.49 per month or $49.99 per year. We're not a fan of subscriptions, but those who are super hardcore into cryptocurrency may want to consider it for this one. Investing.com/Crypto News. Price free includes ads. Investing.com has a financial news app and a standalone crypto news app as well. The app shows you prices for 1,300 altcoins and other currencies. You can also see stats like trading volume, market dominance for each coin, and other profit and loss for your cryptocurrency. The app also includes a currency converter, news, a dark theme, various charts, and support for most popular altcoins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Simple Bitcoin Wallet. Price free. Simple Bitcoin Wallet is, well, a simple wallet for cryptocurrency. It supports Bitcoin, obviously, as well as Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and a few dozen others. There isn't an app to this one. It's actually just a widget. It prominently and cleanly shows your balance right on your home screen. The widgets are customizable to update periodically along with other things as well. This is a great way to keep a close eye on what you have. It's also free with no advertising. Do you want to see your favorite app on this list? Please let us know in comment section, and I hope you guys found this video very valuable, and if you have any opinions, please leave your opinion in the comment box below. You enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click bell icon to be notified when new videos are uploaded. Hope to see you next video.